Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the 15th video lecture of class 3 maths. Yesterday we did this activity. Now complete this. We compared these fractions. They were actually like fractions. Our today's assignment is similar, but today we don't really have like fractions here. We have fractions which have common numerator but different denominator, and we have to compare the fractions, which of them is smaller or which of them is greater than the other one. Like if we take the, for example, this one, I will be explaining it to you here, like 1 over 4 and 1 over 3. So 1 over 4, this shape will have 4 parts and one of them will be color, and for this fraction 1 over 3, and one of them will be filled. So if we look at both these figures, this shape is filled more than this one because it has lesser parts and is smaller, and this shape is actually bigger and is shaded or colored less than that. So this fraction is actually lesser than this one. 1 over 4 is lesser than 1 over 3, and similarly if we look at 2 over 6 and 2 over 3, same denominator but same numerator, but the denominator of this fraction is bigger, so this fraction is lesser than this one. And for this one, 2 over 8 is actually greater than 9 over 2 over 9, and for this one 1 over 9 is greater, yes, it is greater than 1 over 10. And for this one 3 over 7 and 4 over 3, this fraction is lesser than 3 over 4. Similarly you have to solve this. I will leave it to you guys, like G, H and I. Solve them using this concept. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.